Hola from Costa Rica. This is me connecting with you again with a few tools I wanted to share with you today around depression and that darkness. So over the last 13 years, I have treated many men and women who have experienced darkness. Now, darkness of the mind and of the heart can be wrapped up in terms and diagnoses and labels such as bipolar and depression and suicide attempt and anxiety and schizophrenia and all of these names. However, the tools that I use are all the same regardless of the label, and I wanted to share one of those tools with you today. Now, the first one is that when we're often in these places of darkness, we look outside ourselves for validation. We compare ourselves to others. We find ourselves in reaction to the things that are in our environment. So whether that be somebody who's in your environment, an opportunity that's happened, a circumstance, and we get into a spiral, and often it's a downward spiral, of reaction. When this happens, which can sometimes be the beginning of going down, I encourage my patients to become very insular. So pull your energy in, pull your consciousness, pull your thoughts in just about you. So instead of looking left and right, who's looking, who's watching, who's talking, pull it inside. And what you do once you're insular and you pull that energy in is you actually ask yourself two questions. What is it I need and what is it that I want? And when you're in that state where you can just work and put all your energy and intent into fulfilling one and both of those things at the same time and constantly, it will actually be the beginning of you putting one foot forward in front of the other up the ladder out of the darkness. And I've used this very successfully with patients who have manic episodes as a part of their bipolar diagnosis. And one of my patients actually locked herself in her bedroom for 3 days, and it actually stopped her from having a manic episode. So it's very powerful because it enables you to actually stay insular and things can stop spiraling out of control. So obviously reach out for help if you do need it, and make sure that you are supported by people who are going to create that loving foundation, that support around you. However, if you do find that even with people who are around you, you don't feel that support, this is a structure and this is a tool that you can actually use. So an example of what is it that I want is, what is it I want? Do I want company or do I want to be with myself? Do I want to sleep? Do I want to work through this right now? Do I want to unpack it? Do I want to cry? Okay, what do I actually want to do? And if I don't have anything there on the want side that actually gives any meaning or makes me feel any better, then what is it that I need? Okay, do I need to sleep? Do I need to go and have a run on the beach? Do I need to go and have some fresh air? Do I need to eat? Do I need to hydrate myself? What is it that I want and what is it I need? And keep it really insular. And what that does is it slows down that mind chatter. It stops that spiral and it really helps to stabilize things rather than escalating. So I hope that this has been a tool that you can consider implementing in your life. It's also a wonderful stress management tool, even for those of you who have children or who are in the workplace who find themselves getting into a place of overwhelm. It's a wonderful tool to really bring you in, to recenter yourself and enable you to move forward and make some decisions about how to change your situation. So I look forward to your comments on my video, and be sure to share it with anybody who you feel would find it of any value. And I look forward to connecting with you again with some more tools and techniques that you can implement into your life. Love and blessings and happiness and health to all of you. Bye-bye.